Hello everyone. Today we will let you know how to fill Israel visa form. So let's start. First of all, go to browser and type Embassy of Israel. Then click on https://embassies.gov.il/delhi/pages/default.aspx. Now go to consular column. After that, click on visa information. Scroll down and click on online visa application form for Delhi. Here is Israel visa form. Let's start to fill. First of all, enter your previous family name, if any, otherwise, leave it blank. Now enter your mother's name, as per your passport. Then enter your father's name, as per your passport. After that enter your name, with surname. Now enter your current nationality. After that enter your occupation. Now enter your date of birth and place of birth. After that select your travel document, like national passport. Then enter validity of your passport. After that enter issue date of your passport. And issued place of your passport. After that enter your passport number. Now enter your marital status. After that, enter your purpose to visit in Israel. Now come to address portion. Enter your telephone and mobile number. After that enter your email ID. Now enter your address, your city and country. And then enter how many days you want to stay in Israel. And then enter your travel date to Israel and place of entry to Israel. After that enter your address, where you will stay in Israel. This column is, if you going with your family or friends then fill it, otherwise leave it blank. After all this, upload your ID proof. And then enter your name. Now enter date of filling visa and place from where you applying visa. At last come to top of the form, and upload your picture. Now your form is ready to submit. You can preview your form and then print it.
Thank you for watching this video. We have hundreds of videos for different countries on visa application on our channel. Do you know many people make big mistakes in filing their visa application forms, which leads to visa rejection? Don't worry, we're here to assist you. If any country visa application form you feel is not there, then don't worry, comment in the comment box. We'll create it. We have many other videos related to travel which will help the traveler. Don't wait, my friends. Hurry, subscribe our channel now and click the bell icon if you want the instant updates. And also share this video on your WhatsApp groups with your friends.